What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, baseball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. A $3 baseball break for you tonight. But first, bad break drawing for last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Henry. Congratulations, and I'll get the roster for tonight's break. And here we go, 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. We'll start off with the 2013 Supreme. Good luck, everybody. First for the Angels, Mark Trumbo. Supreme Stylings autograph, super short print, 8 out of 15. Angels going to John M. Autograph for the Yankees, CC Sabathia, 6 out of 15. Going to Jeremy. And now the 2015 Supreme. On-card autograph for the Diamondbacks, Jake Lamb. Diamondbacks going to Rob. And on-card auto for the Padres, James Shields. Going to John B. And now the Tier 1. Game use patch for the Red Sox, so Wade Boggs. Red Sox going to Jeremy. Game use bat patch, another one for you, Jeremy, for the Red Sox. This one, Bobby Doerr, 33 out of 99. On-card autograph for the Reds, Eric Davis, 319 out of 399. Going to John M. And we'll finish up with a new guard on-card autograph for the Nationals, Michael Taylor, 59 out of 349. Going to Steven. And that will do it for tonight's break. Off this weekend, back at it Monday. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Monday night.